Chapter 12, solving linear equations, coin and stamp problems. Now, a coin or stamp has a value. A dime is worth 10 cents. A coin can be different. A stamp can be different. Okay. The total value of a number of coins or stamps is the product of the number of coins and the value of the coin. Now, this we went over before. Some problems are simple. The solution can be worked out fast by reasoning. The benefit of this problem here is not to get answers, but to develop techniques for solving problems. Okay. Example 1. A coin bank contains nickels, dimes, and quarters. There are 8 more dimes than quarters. The total number of nickels is 8 less than twice the number of dimes. And the total value of the coins is $5.70. What is the number of each coin? We're going to set up a preamble. We're going to set up a preamble which contains symbols for everything that goes into the equation before we get to the equation. Follow my example. Don't jump into the equation immediately. Sooner or later you're going to regret it. And then you're going to say, oh no, don't give me word problems, I can't do them. Let x be the number of quarters. Think of some number like x is 20. Okay? I always know the answer to every word problem. The answer is x. There are 8 more dimes than quarters. 8 more dimes than quarters, and we had x quarters. The number of nickels is 8 less than twice the number of the dimes. 8 less than twice the number of dimes, and the number of dimes was right here. So that becomes 2x plus 8. Now let's make a little table. We have the coins, the nickels, the dimes, the quarters, the number of each. From up there, we have x quarters, we have x plus 8 dimes, we have 2x plus 8 nickels. The value of 1 nickel is 5 cents, the value of 1 dime is 10 cents, the value of a quarter is 25 cents. If you had 2 nickels, that would be 5 times 2. If you had 3 nickels, 5 times 3. 4 nickels, 5 times 4. This many nickels, 5 times that many. 1 dime, 2 dimes is 2 times 10. 3 dimes is 3 times 10. This many dimes is this many times 10. 2 quarters, 2 times 25. 3 quarters, 3 times 25. X quarters, x times 25. Now the equation, the total value of the coins is the total value of the coins, which is $5.70. But be careful. You work with cents on the left, you must work with cents on the right. So you must convert the $5.70 to 570 cents. And then you work out the equation, you distribute, you combine like terms, you subtract 120, divide by 45, x is equal to 10. You're not finished. You need to say you have 10 quarters, you have 18 dimes, and you have 28 nickels. Now suppose we had chosen x, which is the number of dimes, then the number of quarters is 8 less than the number of dimes. We have to rewrite the sentence, there are 8 more dimes than quarters, as there are 8 less quarters than dimes. And that's not a good idea to mess up with the original wording. You get into trouble. If x had been chosen to be the number of nickels, the number of dimes would be half that particular number, than the sum. And this again is not easy to figure out.